Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can repost a post in Instagram app. Friends, please put your likes under this video. Also write comments after watching and make sure you subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get down to this interesting topic. And now I'm going to show you two methods how you can repost absolutely any post to yourself in your history, as well as to your page. So let's move on to the first option. Let's say you saw a really beautiful post and you'd like to add it to your story. First, let me say that you can do this with a single photo or with a series of photos like I have. You can also do it with video reels or any absolutely video. Pick some kind of post that you like. Next, what do you want to do? At the bottom, underneath the post, you'll see this option. It's like a paper airplane. Click on it. Now, in order to repost it to your story, you'll need to find the story here. This is how to add to story. You can any post as you see it. So, click here. And by the way, if you have, let's say, some kind of series of photos, you can also choose absolutely any of the photos. Like the most recent one, or like the very first one. So the one you like, that's the one you choose to share in the story. As you see the photos, they change. See further, you can, for example, change the color of your photo. You can also change the design of, let's say, the post itself. That is, it can be like this, without any inscriptions, or, on the contrary, with the author and inscriptions. As you prefer. Also, friends, what can you do here? You can, as in any regular story, add geolocation, mentions, music, absolutely any text, some emoji, a poll, and so on. Once you have, let's say, made all the necessary changes, you'll just have to click right here to set the story. And wait literally a few seconds for the story to be exposed. Next, folks, in order to, let's say, share some post to yourself in the post, I'll tell you right away that there is no such button or function to do this in Instagram. For example, as in Facebook, you can share any post to yourself to your page there. Then in Instagram, there is no such thing. If you still want to post some photo to yourself on your page, what can you do? For this, I recommend taking a screenshot. To do this, you will need to press the top sound button and the power button at the same time. So you take a screenshot. You can click on it immediately and crop it. In order to crop it down to the size in the photo itself, you'll need to pull down these frames on top. Leave only the photo. Then click Done on the top left. And then save it to the photo. So if you like the series, you can do it with all the photos. And then you can post those screenshots cropped, just as a post to yourself, by clicking on the plus sign right here, pause, and then select a photo, and then edit it, and so on. If you want to put some video on your page, the only way I can recommend is to make a screen recording. To do this, you will need to swipe down from the right-hand side from top to bottom. Find the screen recording function, click on it, and record this video. Also, you will then need to edit this screen recording. just like in the screenshot to remove, for example, extra frames, author's inscriptions. And after that, you can put up such a post, but depending on the phone, the quality of the sound or video during the screen recording may be spoiled. So this is not the most reliable option. If you want to repost the post to yourself on your page, it is better to do it only with photos. Friends, these are the ways you can repost a post on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.